How to log in Amazon account. So let's get started. To log into your Amazon account, simply follow these steps. First of all, open any preferred web browser on your desktop. Then in the search address bar, search for the amazon.com. Simply navigate to the official website of Amazon. Now in the top right corner of the page, you will see a button labeled sign in. Now all you have to do is simply click on it. Then you'll be navigated to the login page. Now enter the email address or phone number associated with your Amazon account. Then enter your account password. And if you have forgotten your password, then simply click forgot your password and follow the prompts or instructions of Amazon to reset it. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click the sign in button to access your account. Now you are successfully signed in to your Amazon account. That's it. Now you can browse, shop, check order history and manage your account settings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.